Still inside of the email class, inside of the SSD folder, we are now moving on to the constructor. From the constructor, we can practically remove everything apart from the object URL definition here. Then we go for this underscore object transport, sorry, not transport, first we go for message. Message equals new message. Oops, not like this, not like this. Simply message. There we go. And now we check if this underscore use SMTP, and we've set it in our config file to false. If you want to use SMTP, make sure that obviously you assign values to all these constant inside of the config file for the SMTP, and then change the value from false to true, and your email will be sent using SMTP. For this specific exercise, I've decided to not use SMTP because it's much easier. And obviously, if you have a server which doesn't provide you with SMTP details, it's that your email will still be sent. Else, what we're going to do is this underscore object transport equals new send mail transport. But if we're using SMTP, what we're going to do is this object transport equals new SMTP transport. And now we go for options equals new SMTP options. And inside of these options, we go for the array and we go for host. This underscore SMTP host. Then we have port. This underscore SMTP port. After this, we go for connection class equals login. Then we have connection underscore config is its array, and inside of this array we simply have username, this underscore SMTP username, and password, this SMTP password. And after our options array, if we create a few new lines and we check if this underscore SMTP SSL, if it's set to true, or basically if it's got a value, then options, and we add connection config, and we go for SSL index, and we assign the value of this, oops, not like this. Okay, we need to close the bracket here. And then assign the value of this underscore SMTP SSL. And after our if statement, this underscore object transport set options, and we pass our options as parameter. So that's our constructor done now.